My name is Brent Wilson with Budville Motors, and we're here today to show you this beautiful 1964 Plymouth Fury. Blaine, can you tell me a little bit about this great car?
Sure, Brent. This is a 1964 Plymouth Fury Super Stock Stage 3 recreation. The car has a 440 block that's been bored out 60 thousandths. It has the correct factory Stage 3 Super Stock intake manifold, carburetors, and cast iron headers. It comes with the push button 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission, the Hemi torque converter, and the 8 3/4 inch sure grip differential with 391:1 gear ratio.
What are some other important features that are important to note about this vehicle?
The body that was used for this car was a 51,000 actual mile rust-free body. It still carries the original interior. It comes with your choice of vintage American racing wheels. The fronts are actual vintage magnesium wheels from back in the day.
Wow.
Or the steel wheels with the poverty caps. Either one. It has had a front disc brake upgrade and comes with the original Super Stock Stage 3 supplement pamphlet.
So Blaine, is this car an actual race car, or is this car like an everyday driving car?
Well, in 1964, Brent, this car would have been purchased by someone that very likely would have driven it as their daily driver. But on Saturday nights or Sunday afternoons, they could go to the drag strip, uncork those headers, that 3-inch exhaust pipes, and they're ready to race.
Wow. Let's take a look at this vehicle's awesome interior. Well, this 1964 comes with original interior. I feel like I'm riding. Jasmine, do you have your seatbelt on? Now this Plymouth comes with really beautiful aqua interior, and it is original. It also comes with a Stewart Warner original tachometer, as you can see right here. And inside, if you look at the odometer, this car only has 51,777 miles. It is absolutely an awesome, awesome car. And if you need to know something about this vehicle, we also have the original Plymouth Super Stock 426 book that came with these production cars. Now, let's take this Plymouth Fury to the drag strip. Now that you've gotten the chance to see this fantastic muscle car inside and out, I want to let you know how you can get in touch with us. Head on over to our Facebook page, Budville Motors. You can also go to our website, budvillemotors.com. The contact information will be on the bottom of the screen. Listen, we would love to hear from you. Just leave us a message or a comment and let us know if you have any questions or if you want to know anything about this awesome muscle car.